Hello everybody and welcome to 3D Geometry. In this question we have a square-based pyramid ABCDE where E is the vertex. The sides of the square base are 12 centimeters in length and the sloping sides are 15 centimeters in length. And we know the middle of the square base is O as the diagonals intersect there. Now we're asked to find the volume, for which we'll need this equation where volume is a third base area times height. Now the base area should be easy to find, it's just the area of a square, but we need to find the height here. Now if we make this into a triangle to the corner of the square here, and I'll draw this triangle below to make it clearer, we already have the hypotenuse, which is 15 centimeters long. We want to find the height, but first we need to find OC, the base, which is in red. So first let's draw the base of the pyramid and draw in the line OC. Now we know the base of the pyramid is a square with sides of 12 centimeters long. So we can draw a right-angled triangle here where OC is the hypotenuse, and then we know the other two sides are both 6 centimeters long. And then we can use Pythagoras to work out OC. So OC squared is going to be 6 squared plus 6 squared, which works out as the square root of 72. So now we've worked out the length of the base of this triangle, we can work out the height, also using Pythagoras. So we have 15 squared is equal to h squared plus the square root of 72 squared. Well, the square of a square root is just the number, so we have 225 is equal to h squared plus 72. So we can work out the height as the square root of 153, or 12.37 centimeters. The base area is just the area of a 12 centimeter sided square, which is just 12 times 12, or 144 centimeters squared. So using the formula, the volume is 144 times 12.37 divided by 3, which is 593.76 centimeters cubed. In part B, we have to calculate the total surface area of the pyramid. So let's say we start by finding the midpoint of BC and call it M. If we draw a line from E down to M and then along to C, we've made another right-angled triangle. And as you can see, we know the length of the hypotenuse as it's 15 centimeters, and we know the length of the base because it's half the length of one of the sides of the square, which is 6 centimeters. And we know the area of a triangle is half the height times the base, so if we can work out this height here, we can work out the area of this triangle. And we can work out this length, ME, again using Pythagoras, because 15 squared equals ME squared plus 6 squared. So ME squared is equal to 225 take 36, which is equal to the square root of 189. So the area of this triangle is the height, which is the square root of 189, times by the base, which is 6, divided by 2, which gives us 41.24 centimeters squared. But this triangle is only half of one of the faces of the pyramid, so to find the total pyramid surface area, we have to times it by 2. And because there are 4 faces, we have to times that by 4, but we also have to add in the area of the base, which we've already worked out as 144, and that gives us 473.92 centimeters squared. Well, I know this video is quite short, but to do another question would probably make it too long, so I'm going to leave it there anyway. So as always, thanks for watching, and if you could hit the like and subscribe button, that would be fantastic, and I hope to see you soon.